হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, সবাই কেমন আছেন? আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আমি ফারাজ ইসলাম নীরব। আজকে আমি চলে আসছি ফিওর রুফটপে। এই জায়গার সম্পূর্ণ গ্রামীণ পরিবেশটা দেখানোর চেষ্টা করব।
Hello everyone, this is Shaun. Welcome to my another vlog once again. Hopefully you are all doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also doing great well. So today I am at Fior Rooftop, which is situated Mirpur on, and you know that it is situated opposite of Idgah March. And today I will be showing you rural environment of Fior Rooftop. So stay with me, and today Nirab also with me, and you know that Mr. Kausar Islam Rakib also is with me, and today we are trying to show you rural environment of Fior Rooftop. So stay with us, keep watching this video, let's go.
প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, আমি এখন যেখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি এখানে খুবই একটা গ্রামীণ পরিবেশ। এখানে আসলে আসলে খুবই সুন্দর সুন্দর ভিউ পাওয়া যায়। এই জায়গায় ঝর্ণা প্রভাবিত হচ্ছে। এই জায়গার সম্পূর্ণ পরিবেশটা একদম গ্রামীণ পরিবেশ।
Hello everyone, this is Shaun. Welcome to my another vlog once again. Today I am at Fior Rooftop, and today I would like to show you this rural environment and where every day so many people visit here. Now I'll be talking with manager of this Fior Rooftop, right? And what's your name?
This is Monir with you.
Okay. How long have you been serving here?
1 year, 4 months.
So I would like to ask you about this Fior Rooftop. Actually, today, you know that very well. I have Facebook page, and where I uploaded this video every day. And today I would like to ask you some question about this Fior Rooftop.
Definitely.
So are you able to answer of this question?
Definitely.
Okay. So I would like to know about the Fior Rooftop and who is the owner of this Fior Rooftop.
We have two owners of this restaurant. Name is Mr. Kamrul and Dr. Naimul Hassan.
Where are they from?
They are from one of them from Chuadanga, one of from Mirpur.
Mirpur.
Mirpur, yeah.
So both of them are Bangladesh, right?
Both of them are Bangladeshi.
Okay. So when was it established?
It's as I told you, it's almost 16 months. Okay?
60 months. So how many how many items are there in with your menu books?
Yeah, we have a lot of items, especially Fiori Rooftop. Fiori is Italian name, but the main concept is, this is called flower.
Okay.
Fiori means flower. And our restaurant is based on, pizza, pasta and steak. We have Odoben pizza. We have premium steak. We have chicken steak. We have nasi goreng. We have a lot of things in this place. Yeah.
Okay. So how many people do visit here every day?
Every day you can say more than 100-150 people are visiting here. Sometimes more than this. During occasion, we cannot give them the place to sit here.
Okay. Right now, as I am saying, there are a lot of people who are visiting this rural environment, and I would like to ask you about the delicious food. Actually, what sort of food can be found here?
Premium steak like T-bone, ribeye, tomahawk. Then I must say our Odoben pizza and pasta.
You know very well, there are so many restaurants are there in our country, right? So why do people visit here?
because our food is very tasty, and what we have in this place, in our restaurant, you cannot find in other places.
Okay.
That's why people are coming here.
Okay, thank you very much. So, do you like to say anything about your rooftop?
Yeah, of course, I have requested all the people, those are walking around, and we have serving very nice and delicious food. I must request each and everyone, they have come and try our food. So once they come and try our food, inshallah, they will think our food is the best around the place.
Okay, thank you very much. As he has told us, and this is very rural environment where so many people visit here to see this rural environment. And today we have got so many information about the Pure Rooftop from that guy. I'd like to request all of you. So if you get free time, you try to visit here with your friends, with your family, right? Okay, its name is Pure Rooftop. Already I have said like that. Okay, now we are trying to show you this rural environment. So stay with us. Dear friends, Mr. Kausar and Mr. Nirav are with me so long. So, I have tried to show you surrounding this Pure Rooftop. Those who live in Dhaka city and who are not able to go their village home right now, and but they would like to enjoy with rural environment. So, it's a great opportunity for you to visit here with rural environment, and you know that you are not being able to get rural environment in this Dhaka city, so you are cordially invited to here.
ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, ইতিমধ্যে আপনাদের পিওর রুফটপের সম্পূর্ণ গ্রামীণ পরিবেশটা দেখানোর চেষ্টা করেছি। আপনারা অবশ্যই অবসর সময়ে আপনাদের মাইন্ড ফ্রেশ করার জন্য সপরিবার নিয়ে আসতে পারেন।
Going to pizza kitchen, and we are trying to show you how to make the pizza. Munir is with me, and he also is trying to show us how to make the pizza. So
This is our live kitchen.
a live kitchen. Actually, how many people are there work here?
Around we are 204 people working here.
24 people who are working up there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, dear friends, there are so many people who are working here and who are trying to make delicious food, right? Actually, every day, what I had told you before, entering this video, so every day, so many people visit here to get the delicious food, right? And actually, there are so many particularity with this delicious food. So today, we are trying to show you how to make the pizza, right?
How to prepare the pizza?
Okay.
And wood oven.
Wood oven.
yeah.
Okay. So how many times need to keep into the oven?
Yeah.
5 minutes.
And it's 800 degrees Celsius.
Okay. 800 degrees Celsius. Okay. So dear friends, as
You will come here and just take
so you can see, and this is the oven, and Twinny, as he has told us, the pizza needs to be kept inside of the oven temperature of 800 degrees Celsius. As you can see, my dear friends, here is the oven. Now that guy is trying to show us how to prepare the pizza. And okay, please come with me. Okay, so as you can see, and he is trying to make the pizza, and today I am trying to show you how to make a pizza. And already your manager, Mr. Munir brother, as he has told us, you need to keep the pizza 5 minutes into the oven for making pizza. So as he has told us, and right now, and as you can see, he is trying to make a pizza. And আচ্ছা, এটা কি ইউজ করলো ভাইয়া? এটা কি ইউজ করলো এখানে? টমেটো সস। আচ্ছা। So, Mr. Monirul Islam, so I would like to ask you, so have you had this pizza before?
Yes, we had tried it so
So
many times.
I would like to have the taste. It does have any particularity taste?
Of course, first of all, this is Odoben. You will get smoky smell, smoky smell, and the taste will be different.
Okay. I got it. Your point. I will be getting the smoke smell.
Flavor.
Okay, flavor. Okay. So that's why.
You will not get any other places.
Okay.
If you use gas or electricity, you will not get this kind of.
Okay. I got it. This type of pizza, it can't be found anywhere, right? Okay, I got it. Your point. Okay. So ভাই এটা কি দিচ্ছ পিজার উপরে?
স্কুইড চিংড়ি, তারপর হচ্ছে গরি ফিশ।
বড়ি ফিশ।
জি।
আচ্ছা। এটা পার্টিকুলারিটি কি? Do you know?
Not only this one. What is available in our menu? One to all, inshallah. It will be like that.
So how many pizza items are made here?
We have Italian based pizza like pizza margherita, then seashore.
So I would like to ask you, which one is famous among all the pizza?
Okay, seashore.
Okay.
Then we have Calabona.
Okay.
Very nice.
I'd like to different question. Actually, what sort of particularity does it have with Calabona pizza?
Calabona is our desi flavor. So we make it like Calabona. We cook it as we cook Calabona. Then we make it like that. Then we prepare it. Okay. Then we prepare and we serve to the
What sort of ingredients are mixed with this pizza?
ingredients. The sauce, tomato sauce. Then cheese. Then again Calabona. Then again we put cheese on that. Then we put it inside the oven. Once we prepare, then we serve to the guests. Okay. I would say this is our specialty.
This is your special item.
Calabona is very famous and it's running very well.
What sort of items are sold? Every day is too much.
We have chicken steak. Chicken steak. That is platter. Then we have.
Okay, dear friends, already we have matched and they have matched a shisha pizza and they are able to make the shisha pizza right now. And as you can see, it's a very hot temperature we are getting from the shisha pizza. And undoubtedly, it will be very delicious, right, Mr. Munir sir? And undoubtedly, it will be very delicious food. And I hope that if anyone want to take this particularity test, he should come here to take this particularity. So as he has told us, this type of food it can't be found everywhere. If you come here, you will be able to know what is the difference this restaurant among others. So everyone, you should come here as soon as possible. Okay, so do you want to say anything about this pizza?
Yeah, I want to request each and everyone, please come and visit us, inshallah. I hope you will enjoy, and thank you so much.
So, do you think everyone should come here to visit here to refresh their mind?
Yeah, definitely. Everybody must come here.
And I would like to share different things. And there is a font, and there is several trees. Where is
Environment,
rural environment? We can say rural environment, right? We can say rural environment. You can try to for visiting here. Thank you very much. Told you, as I have said, that we have ordered a pizza whose name is Shisha Pizza, right? Okay, which is in front of us, and today I will be trying to have this delicious pizza. It's that flavor is really amazing. So I would like to test this particularity. So now let's start. Okay. Wow. Dear friends, as I've told you, it's really amazing. Its taste is really delicious, undoubtedly delicious. If you want to check this delicious food, you must have to come here to visit Pure Rooftop, which is situated at Mirpur and opposite of Idgah Mart. As Mr. Monir sir, he is manager of Pure Rooftop, and he has told us his pizza will be very delicious, and he has told us two words, and it was really delicious food. So which we have ever had in our entire life. So I would like to request you may come here with your friends, with your family.
আর আজকে আমি খাইতেছি হচ্ছে শিশর পিজা। খাবারটা খুবই টেস্ট।
I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.
How is your pizza taste?
It's super duper delicious food, undoubtedly, and which I have had ever in my life. So actually, as you told us, it will be very delicious. Your words undoubtedly true.
Thank you.
So I will appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Providing us delicious food like this Shishor pizza. Thank you.
It's my honor to have you like this kind of people. And,
Okay.
Pizza was, I know, that's why I offer you this pizza. I hope you will come back again, inshallah. Inshallah. I know you're visiting many other places, but there is something different.
And I would like to request you, if you provide this type of service, and everybody should come here to take this delicious food.
Monir brother, who is friendly and undoubtedly honest person that I have ever seen in my entire life. Since we have come here to show you this rural environment, he has tried to provide us many facilities from his side.
Pizza, and as he has told us, it will be very delicious, and really his words undoubtedly truth. And everybody, I would like to request everybody to come here and to take this delicious food, and you will get rural environment as well as delicious food, right?
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to to serve you like that. Serve you such this kind of people. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Monir
Mr.
brother, I am so delighted having got such kind of guy like you.
প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, যেমনটা বলেছিলাম যে ফিওর রুফটপে এখানে একটা রুরাল এনভায়রনমেন্ট, যেটা হচ্ছে গ্রামীণ পরিবেশ। আপনারা এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে এখানে অনেক ধরনের হচ্ছে গাছপালা এখানে আছে, এবং আমি এখানে আসার পরে এবং আমি যেটা বলতে চাচ্ছি যে মিস্টার কাউসার হোসেন রাকিব সেও আমার সাথে আছেন, এবং এখানে আসার পরে তার যে অনুভূতিটা, সেই অনুভূতিটা আমি জানার চেষ্টা করব। আসলে এখানে আসার পরে আপনার কেমন ফিল হচ্ছে?
আসলে এই জায়গাটা খুবই অত্যন্ত সুন্দর এই একটা জায়গা। যারা আমরা গ্রামে থাকি, আমাদের গ্রামে যে পরিবেশটা আপনি যদি পুরোপুরিভাবে এনজয় করতে চান, তাহলে যদি আপনি এই জায়গাটা আসেন, আমি আশা করি এই জায়গার ওয়েদার প্লাস এই জায়গার গাছপালা, এই জায়গার এভরিথিং, এই জায়গার যাবতীয় সাজসজ্জা আমাদের পুরো গ্রামের স্টাইলে করা হয়েছে, যাতে আমাদের মন ফ্রেশ থাকে। এবং আমরা ঢাকার এই যে কোলাহল, ঢাকাতে আমরা বিভিন্ন ধরনের মানুষ বিভিন্ন মানসিক চাপে হোক, বিভিন্নভাবে হোক, মানুষ বিভিন্ন টেনশনে থাকে। তো আমাদের টেনশন মুক্ত করার জন্য, আমাদের এই টেনশন থেকে আমাদেরকে খানিকটা কিছু সময়ের জন্য, আমাদেরকে ভালো কিছু দেওয়ার জন্য এই রুফটপ আমাদের কাছে নিয়ে আসছে। একটা অন্যরকম একটা জিনিস, যদি কেউ না আসেন তাহলে সে পারবেন না আসলে বুঝতে যে এই জায়গাটা কত সুন্দর।
So dear friends, right now raining is starting, so you know that right now I am standing on the Pure Rooftop. So I will be trying to show you out environment. So out environment can be seen very easily from here. So now I will be trying to show you this out environment. Right now raining is started, so rural environment is too much increasing. So right now I am standing on Pure Rooftop, which I have ever seen in my life. So And you know that, dear friends, I would like to show you this environment from here. You know, our scenery can be seen very easily. You know that so many people have come here to visit the rural environment, but they are facing raining. Okay, dear friends, right now raining is going on, and there are so many people who are trying to sitting here and there, but they are not able to sit anywhere because of a few minutes ago everywhere are getting wet by raining. So Nirav is with me, also as well as Mr. Kausar Hussain Rakib also is with me, and we are getting wet by the raining. We are really delighted. So dear friends, today we are here together to visit Fjord Rooftop. So you know that Fjord Rooftop environment is rural environment, and here a few minutes ago raining was starting, and right now you know that scenery was increasing, and you know I would like to show you out scenery. You know, right now I am standing on the Fjord Rooftop. Many people have come here to visit. You know, everywhere are getting wet by the raining. So you know that every people are standing here and there. They are trying to sit, and actually dear friends, I'm super delighted for sharing my opinion in this very moment. So I would like to request you, whenever you will get free time, you will try to visit here. And if you want to see this, this super amazing environment with this raining, and I would like to show them. Dear friends, and today Nirav is with me, and also Rakib is with me, and here is a singer. His name is Mr. Kausar Hussain Rakib, and he will be trying to gift us a song. And I would like to request Mr. Rakib to sing a song. Okay, let's get started.
বৃষ্টি ভেজা সন্ধ্যায় তোমার কথাই ভাবছি, তুমি চলে গেছো বলে হৃদয় শূন্য করে এ কথা ভেবেই কাঁদছি। ও বৃষ্টি ভেজা সন্ধ্যায় তোমার।
Friends, now I will be showing you charming and rural environment of your rooftop. Let me show you its amazing beauty. No sooner had I come here, I felt better. I thought, what if I visit here? Its result, now I am being get. As you can see, its scenery is really charming and mind-blowing as well. Those who live in this turbulent city, they should visit here for refreshing your mind, which I am seeing having come here. That scenery I did not see anywhere in this Dhaka city. Now I am being shown which I have never seen before. There is little turbulence here. A few minutes ago raining has done. That's why you can see there is too much water on this floor. I was captivated with this incredible beauty, where so many trees can be seen its own beauty. Dear friends, as I have told you, whenever you will get free time, you should visit here with your family. Very few restaurant is beautiful as Fjord Rooftop. So why are you getting late? Let's visit Fjord Rooftop as soon as possible. It's a kitchen where so many workmen are trying to make delicious food, which may not be found anywhere. Already you have been shown inside of this kitchen. There is a different place for sitting. It's look like hutch. There are lots of trees in front of hutch. It's looking so beautiful. Those trees are having provide us green light. I tend to think I have come my own village area, having seen this charming environment. As far as I have seen, there is a specific particularity that so many trees have been planted everywhere around of this fair rooftop. Dear friends, I would like to show you more beauty that you might not see somewhere else. 2 hours have passed since it rained here. Everybody has got wet. Dear friends, workmen are trying to dry water in order that everybody may sit as before and gossip with one another. As you can see, my dear friends, there are lots of flower trees that you are being shown from in this video. And another thing also, different flower trees are here, which I have never seen. And I don't know what is the name of these flower trees. Flower trees name would know if they mentioned in front of each tree. Then it could be known. But I don't know what is the name of this flower right now. It's look like so beautiful. Dear friends, now I am not being able to say what is the name of this flower because this sort of flower I didn't see anywhere. Today I got the chance to see this different flower which I have never seen before. As you can see, they are gossiping with one another with this charming beauty. Not only them but also everybody who came here for visiting this rural environment. Dear friends, I have tried to show you this rural environment from here. Dear friends, from here outside scenery can be seen very easily. Let's try to see outside view. Wow, it's really beautiful. Now I am standing on fair rooftop. From here, outside scenery can be seen very easily. If you want to see entire of Dhaka city view, from here you can see very easily. So dear friends, as you can see, dear friends, now it's time for you to come here for enjoying with this beauty.
প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, অনেক ঘোরাঘুরির মধ্য দিয়ে আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখানোর চেষ্টা করেছি পিওর রুফটপের মনোরম পরিবেশ। আমি আরো দেখানোর চেষ্টা করব।
Dear friends, now it's high time to leave this place. We have tried to show you rural environment of Fair Rooftop. You know that we have come to know about the Fair Rooftop on Facebook. Having watched such kind of rural environment on Facebook, then and there we took decision together for visiting here with Rakib and Nirab. We were supposed to visit here last week, but we couldn't do that. Today we have taken decision we must visit here. Dear friends, you have seen this amazing rural environment with us through this video. In this very moment, I am so delighted that I have been able to visit here. So dear friends, don't forget to hit the follow button. If you have any query and suggestion, let us know about your opinion in the comment box. Dear friends, please share this video as if everyone can watch this video very easily. As you saw, we have tried to show you this rural environment first to last. But now it's time to leave this place together. So dear friends, if I have any mistake, please forgive me. Dear friends, finally we have to leave this charming environment. I have nothing to do. If you come here, you will not be able to go willingly from this environment. Look, still they are trying to dry floor. So no more today. Hope see you again another day with another vlog. Have a good night. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.